Okay guys, so well, the Ford Falcon, I believe all the rust repair is done. I'm going to get under here and start undercoating it. Mike's got it all welded up, looks awesome. Take a look, let me turn the tunes down real quick. You know how it is, they don't like that stuff on the YouTubers. So anyway, this side was way worse. So if you're out there watching Ron, holy God, this side was rotten. He was saying, Ron's the gentleman who owns the car, he was saying he was always careful when he washed this side of the car because he didn't want the quarter panel to fall off. Oh, I'll tell you, it was really bad. But it's all done. So that's it. Now, like I say, we've got to get up in here now and do some seam sealing and undercoating. And we got all our black primer up in there. That's why it looks so dark. That's black primer because we did clean it up in there. And again, you guys all saw this side. This is not a fancy, perfect job. This is just, you know, let's get her patched up. Let's get her, you know, working. Did cut all the rust out, though. All the rust is cut out and everything's welded in properly and made new proper pieces for it. So it's not like, you know, I'm not saying it's a bad job. I'm just saying that there's the odd area where we did overlap it. Just because didn't want to spend the time or the money to cut and butt weld everything perfect. And at least I admit that. You got to make the customer happy. Kind of do what the customer wants. But you know what? If you get in there, you clean it up, you prime it, you use some weld through primer too while you are welding. You seam seal it really good. You keep it tight. You weld it up solid, stitch it up, get some undercoating on there. Shit, it's gonna last you a long, long time. Now, so that means that this will be coming down off the lift because we're done with that, and we're bringing the 57 Ford in to put the engine in it. So that'll be next. Now Sean, if you remember last, he was painting away on the Camaro. I'll show you where that's at. And then he's got my buddy's, what is this thing again? 47 or 46 Ford in here. He's working on that. But anyway, the Camaro. Here we go. So the jambs are all painted. Excuse me, guys. The windshield pillar is all painted up. Tuxedo black. Code was, I believe, 9300 Tuxedo black for 1968 Camaro. So that's all done. That's this dust you see on there. Black attracts the dust, and then when you wipe it, well, no, it looks like it's all scratched up. Fucking black paint. God, you gotta hate black. Sean's working his magic on Corey's car. Got the hood off here and got some damage. He's got fixed the repairs in here. Nothing like sanding a louvered hood. Fixing up the fender. I was thinking about helping, you know, but you know, I don't know. I had to go out somewhere. Yeah. So you can see he's got the passenger side fenders working away. So we're just painting the front half of the car. That's it. Nothing else. That's all he wanted done. Clear was peeling off there. Hood was damaged there. There's a bunch of damage down along in this area and up in there. So just the front. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so he's working away on that. And now, so that's what's happening there. And then yeah. Don't know what else to tell you. I think that's about it. Oh, hello. So that's all that's going on. Hello. Just saw my wife. She was sneaking around out here in my shop. She's running in the house now. She took something out of here. She's always up to something. She likes to sneak out here and take stuff of mine. Anyway, it's all good. So, yeah, that's about what's been going on there. I got the fuel pump, came in, so now I got the old 6-volt fuel pump, so I can actually get the bloody Ford pickup out there, that big one. Jam that sucker in. Now, I already had a bracket here, so I was lucky. I've already mounted the bracket. I've ran the wires, ready to go for this fuel pump last week. And of course, now it's pissing down rain every day, and the truck's outside, and I ain't laying out there in the rain, but when it stops raining, boom, put that in, couple fittings, hook the lines up, plug the wires on, and pray to God that son of a bitch starts. And then we're going to take it down, get some exhaust on it, and then we're going to take it and get a vehicle inspection, and that's about it. So hey, it's always a good time at old time. Short little 5-minute video, that's all you get today. But we'll give you a longer one, because on Sunday it's going to be Fun Day Sunday working on the shoebox, and we'll see what we can do with that old beast, right? Okay guys, well, get out there and go do all your Christmas shopping, or whatever it is you got to do. I ain't doing that. See you later.